Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. Today's date is 2nd July 2024. Our topic says preposition. Preposition. Under preposition, we are going to look at a topic that says nelu. Nelu. That is on top. On top. Nelu. Nelu. On top. Nelu means on top. In Igbo, you call it nelu, on top. For example, this is a chair. This is a cup. Let us see the examples under sentences. Number one example says, cup is on top of the chair. Class, repeat after me. Cup is on top of the chair. If you see this chair and this cup, you will find out that this cup is on top of this chair. That is dinelu. Dinelu. Another example B, 1B says, iko di n'elu oche. Iko. Iko means cup in Igbo. Iko di n'elu oche. Iko di n'elu oche. That is, cup is on top of the chair. Let's see another example. This is a car, and this is also a book. You can find out that this book is on top of this car. Number 2A says, akwụkwọ dị n'elu ụgbọala ahụ. Akwụkwọ dị n'elu ụgbọala ahụ. That is, book is on top of that car. Book is on top of that car. That in Igbo, you call it ahụ. 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 Ahụ means that in Igbo. Akwụkwọ dị n'elu ụgbọala ahụ. That is, book is on top of that car. If I ask you, class, where is the book? You will say that book is on top of that car. You will point to it and say, book is on top of that car. Remember, we use that to a singular thing that is far. Far away. Akwụkwọ dị n'elu ụgbọala ahụ. Meaning, book is on top of that car. Like and share our videos. Recite the one that you have taught. Bye. Till next time. Subscribe to our channel, please. Okay? And follow us for more. Bye.